If you want to know how I grew my edges from this to this, keep on watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is JessicaTrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, I want to show you all this awesome, amazing, very effective hair growth oil. Okay, this hair growth oil is gonna help you grow out your hair like crazy. Like guys, I am telling you, this works 100% guaranteed. All right, no jokes at all, no jokes at all. So I'm going to also be writing the benefits of this hair growth oil down in the description box and also in this video. So let's get this video started. So guys, here are the ingredients. I'm using cloves, which is my favorite right now, and this is black seed, which also promotes hair growth. I'm also going to be using Jamaica black castor oil. All right, this is amazing for your hair if you're doing hair journey. And I'm also going to be using avocado oil. This avocado oil, I made this myself, so you can use any one you have. And I'm also going to add olive oil along the line, okay, just to make the oil not to take a little bit light for my hair. So I'm going to be using a measuring spoon. I'm using 1 tablespoon of black seed and 1 tablespoon of cloves. So guys, I added 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Why I added the olive oil? Because I wanted my oil to be 1, much, and 2, I wanted my oil to be not to be too thick, so that it's be able to penetrate my hair. Okay, so I wanted it a bit lighter, not too thick. Yes, that's why I added the olive oil, and olive oil to have its own benefits for your natural hair. So I'm going to mix all this together, like mix it, and I will blend this. I'll transfer this into my blender and I'll blend it to a smooth paste. Then we'll do the double boiler method. Okay, so guys, here I'm transferring this into my blender. This oil is really amazing for your hair. It's amazing for your scalp, to make your hair to grow. Like guys, kindly watch this video to the end so that you can see my results. Okay, yes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share, and let me know in the comment section if you've tried this oil. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, we are done blending and this is what it looks like now. So I transfer this in a glass plate so that I can start my double boiler method. Okay, so my plate is already on the fire, like hot water is inside the pot, and I put my plate there. Then I'll mix it and I'll allow this to simmer for like 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes is okay. If you want to go further, you can go further to 8 minutes. Like, look at what the oil looks like. So I allow this to cool down a bit before I use my wig cap to strain out the oil. Yes guys, so this is very hot, so you have to allow it to cool down a bit, then use your wig cap and strain this out. So I'm going to be pressing this out from like separating the shaft from the oil. Then I'll show you guys how to apply it on your hair, and I'll show you all my final results. Guys, watch this video to the end so you can see my final results. No joke, guys, my hair, especially my front hair, it grew. My hair grew. Like I did, I measured my hair initially, and in the results is something else. Just go watch this video to the end so you can see. So guys, this is the amount of oil we have. I told you guys it was not really that much, so this amount of oil I have. And yeah, so let's go and let me show you how I'm going to apply this on my hair. It has this hole. You can just, pour it right directly on my scarf. So you can get in. And yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this, okay? And yeah, so I'm going to try this for 2 weeks, and I'll see the hair growth I'm going to have. Not only hair growth, but my edges, if it's going to come out more. All right, then maybe I'll put a clip of a picture, maybe somewhere here, or maybe after this clip you see a picture or something like that. I don't know. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.